Welcome to the pre-market report of 13/5/2022. Today the center pivot of Nifty placed around 15,862. Top CPR is in 15,889. Bottom CPR is in 15,835. R1 placed in 15,988. R2 placed in 16,168. R3 placed in 16,294. S1 placed in 15,682 and S2 placed in 15,556. S3 placed in 15,376. Today the center pivot of Bank Nifty placed around 33,724. Top CPR is in 33,819. Bottom CPR is in 33,628. R1 placed in 34,150. R2 placed in 34,767. R3 placed in 35,193. S1 placed in 33,106 and S2 placed in 32,680. S3 placed in 32,063. Let us check the global market first. Yesterday, Dow Jones was down by 0.33% and Nasdaq was up by 0.06%. So yesterday the US market was closed in very flat condition. Let us move on to the Europe market. Yesterday, all the European market closes firmly in red, but it won't affect our today market opening, but it creates slight negative sentiment. Right now, all the Asian market was trading in green, especially Nikkei was up by 2.53%. It gives more positivity to our market. Right now, all the US future and European future trading firmly in green. It gives slight positivity to our market, especially US tech stock was up by 1.03%. It gives positivity to our IT stock. Right now, Nifty future trading around 15,975. Our previous day close was 15,808. It indicates more than 170 point gap up, as well as SGS Nifty also trading around 15,981. It is also indicating more than 170 point gap up. Yesterday, the foreign institutional investor sold for 5,255 crores and the domestic institutional investor bought for 4,815 crores. So the overall institutional activity is in sell side. Yesterday, the foreign institutional investor sold for 5,255 crores and the domestic institutional investor bought for 4,815 crores. So the overall institutional activity is in sell side. This is option chain data in NSE website. Here we can see which option highest open interest. Right now 16,000 call option has highest open interest. It has 76,215 contract in open condition. But yesterday the smart people create 15,900 short saddle. They can sell 15,900 call option as well as 15,900 put option. By selling 15,900 put option as well as 15,900 call option, they can collect combined premium of 411 rupees. So option writers believe market won't move beyond 16,219 in upside as well as 15,396 in downside. They believe market going to be expire between these 2 points. Whenever market stays between this point, they can make profit. Let us come to the final conclusion. Yesterday, the US market was closed in mixed condition and the European market was negative. Right now, all the Asian market trading firmly in green. US future also firmly in green. European future also firmly in green. Nifty future indicating more than 175 point gap up. SGS Nifty also indicating the same. FIIs in sell side, DA in buy side. As per writer's point of view, market won't move beyond 16,200 in upside, for 15,400 in downside. This is Nifty charting in trading view. I am always using 5 minutes time frame. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white, as well as R1, R2, R3 in green, previous day high in dotted green. After that I marked S1, S2, S3 in red, previous day low in dotted red. Right now SGS Nifty and Nifty future indicating market going to open just below to R1. I hope market will face resistance at R1 and came down. After that it took support at center pivot and then it bounced back towards R2. Whenever market face resistance at R1, don't take any position. Wait market to take support at center pivot. After seeing this bullish pin bar, you can enter at this candle close. You can buy nearby call option and keep the stop loss just below the candle. Book your profit at day's high or you can trail up to R2. I hope market will trail up to R2 today, but don't take any position at initially. Wait how the market reacting to R1. If market breaks R1 with a firm green candle, enter at the candle close, keep the stop loss just below the candle and book your profit at R2. If market face resistance at R1, don't take any position, just wait. Market took support at center pivot. After that you can enter, you can buy nearby call option and book your profit at R2. This is our final conclusion.